Here's a look at the market for Thursday, January the 7th, 2009, through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader. And of course, we always like to start by taking a look here at the market profiles. And this is today's profile, and this will be yesterday's, with the one in the middle of the overnight session. We had suggested that around the 27 area would be support in this up auction. Hit it right on the tick overnight, and then in the regular trading hours today, it came down within a tick of it. An interesting maneuver, and then the up auction continued with a nice positive close up here. So everything is still in place as far as our intraday auction is concerned. And of course, we like to use this market profile to examine that each day. This is the market profiles that you're looking at right now of the regular trading hours only, so it does not include the Globex session. So you can see today was a nice move. The market actually took out yesterday's low, as you can see here. There's yesterday's low, so it dipped down a little bit lower, and then had a good move higher, closing way up here, obviously exceeding yesterday's high. So yesterday's high could act as a support, which is around the 35.5 area. That would not be surprising. Otherwise, the next support is down around the 33 area, and then back down to the 27 should the market attract some selling in this move. We had only 3 trades today. The first trade that we had really kind of went sideways on us. Here's the market. You can see it, it actually got to 27.50, so it came within 2 ticks of our support at 27 in the regular trading hours. It actually hit 27 in the Globex session overnight. So we knew the support there. It came down, found the support, started rally. So we didn't actually get along here until there, and we ended up actually getting out of that trade in 10 minutes for a 2-tick loss. Now, some of our more experienced traders, we also had an entry right here. They would have held on to that knowing that this second trade here, this is the first trade here, this is the second trade here, knowing that the second trade had already set up and that we would want to be getting long right in here. And so they either took a 2-tick loss on that first trade, or they held on to it and either traded it as if they were getting long here, and then had a nice rally up, reaching as high as 36 before coming off and getting stopped out here at 34.50 on our final partial. So that was a really nice move. We did have this sell-off in here, which prompted us to look for a short trade. Some of our traders got filled right up in here and then hit the first objective. Some didn't, in which case they were stopped out on the trade. So we actually had 3 trades today. So it was either a break-even situation here, was a loss of a couple of ticks here if they didn't combine them, and then this trade here hit our first 2 objectives, plus a point and 3/4 on the final partial. So those were our 3 trades for today, and we're looking for more up tomorrow. The one thing, of course, we do have to keep in mind is that the employment situation release, that news will be coming out at 8:30 Eastern time in the morning, so we want to be careful of that, because certainly the market could pull back to some of these support areas. In particular, if 27 were not to hold, if the market really sold off, didn't like the news at all, and really sold off pretty hard, came down 10 points from the close here, and held below there for a while, that would be at least a short-term auction shift to the downside. So that would be something that we would want to look for should that happen. Otherwise, we're looking primarily to get long here, which made our third trade here a little precarious, even though we were in the green filter. Of course, our filter is just for the day session only. It does not take into consideration any of the background information that we go over for pretty good detail on our members' side of the website, and of course in their video and charts, which of course are 15 to 20 minutes long every day for their video. So anyway, this will give you a bit of an idea of what we think the market is doing, and any questions or comments, just get a hold of us. We're at info@eMiniDayTrader.com, and our phone number's on the website. So thanks for taking the time to view this video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.